Yan, bago ka balin, kamusta kayo po? My name is Louie.
My name is Marco Nanan of We're in Pampanga, where we discover great places for you to check out.
As well as helping businesses promote their products to our We're in Pampanga community. For today's vlog, I'm really excited because we've been invited to this very humble restaurant dito sa Angeles City. Actually, it's
a Chinese
restaurant and right now they are serving authentic Chinese food. So if you want to know more about this restaurant, so be with us in this video.
So tara, let's go!
Welcome, Mark and Louie!
Again guys, nandito tayo ngayon sa Kong's Kitchen. It's a newly opened Chinese restaurant dito po sa Santo Entiero, Angeles City. So we are with Reese. Ayan, nagpipicture pa siya. The table is ready for our taste testing. Of course, this is a highlight and a feature of their product. So upo na tayo ngayon and we're gonna taste test. Alright, so there you have it guys. Again, thank you so much for being with us in this video. Nagpapasalamat din kami kay Kong's Kitchen for inviting us.
Thank you.
Just recently opened, tama ba?
Yeah.
So what's the story behind it?
Basically, Dan's the chef, and yun nga nag-close na yung mga restaurant. So we chose to open our own restaurant here in Angeles. And then mostly we wanted to cater for the people who are eating at home,
Yes.
mga takeouts, deliveries.
Now, let's talk about the dishes that you serve.
Normally, kasi Chinese food restaurant, ang perception ng mga people dito is medyo may kamahalan,
Yes.
and then medyo hindi siya kinakain araw-araw. So, what we wanted to do is make these dishes affordable and something that people would want to order every day.
Yes.
So, sweet and sour pork, and what's special about it is kahit i-deliver pa namin, kahit magtagal na siya, crispy pa rin siya, and you would still get a crispy outside and then a soft meat inside. Over here, yun, yung chow fried rice namin, soy chicken at saka Hainan chicken namin, and signature is this ginger dip. Yung stir-fried miso namin, braised fish fillet with tofu. Mga mas unique sa restaurant namin yung egg tofu. And what's special about it,
Please.
ginagawa siya from scratch, daily by my dad in-house. And he would only taste this right here.
Wow. So this one is your?
Asado.
Interesting. For us Kapampangan, it's a different kind of asado. Parang medyo meron siyang tomato sauce, tomato paste, something like that.
For soup, we have seafood tofu soup. Just recently added to our menu as well. The chicken cutlet curry.
Sample ng kanilang mga party trays is, this one is a seafood party tray, right?
Yes.
What do we call it?
So it's a mixed seafood with cheese sauce. And yes, the cheese sauce is also unique here.
Alright, so we won't bore you long guys, we're gonna taste this one and of course meron pa tayong kwentuhan with Reese, no?
So available naman kami for dine-in, but mostly our customers want take-out, and we also offer deliveries. You may also get us from GrabFood or foodpanda. We're open daily from 10:30 to 7 p.m. Monday to Sunday.
Monday to Sunday.
Ako matitig mo yung sweet and sour pork. So susubukan natin kung gaano siya ka-crispy.
Ako naman guys, this egg tofu. Whoa! So, you get a golden brown crispy crust yung outer layer ng ano natin to. And then the inside, sobrang lambot niya, yan no? Oh, wow.
Crispy nga yung ano nila.
Wow. But this one, it's very different yung consistency and even yung lasa niya.
So you get the taste of the soybean from the tofu, and also the smoothness of the egg.
Okay, I wanna taste this asado. Oh wow. So you have that really authentic Chinese taste, yeah. The smell, the spices. Ang sarap, ang sarap. Hindi mo may iwasan yung minsan, di ba?
So next ko naman titigman yung soy chicken nila. Masasabi ko talaga kakaiba yung garlic dip nila. At the same time, sinamang pa yung soy chicken. Ang sarap. Feeling mo nasa China ka talaga.
Tinikman ko na yung ano nila. Mixed seafood kimchi sauce. Wow. It is very creamy.
Seafood tofu.
Seafood tofu. So basically, what's in it?
There's fish, there's squid, and of course the tofu, and
Sarap, sarap.
Still a new item sa menus namin for party trays. It's only available for pre-order at least 1 day before. Before we had the pre-order of the seafood, we have a seafood paluto, and it's still currently running naman. What customers can do is they bring their own seafood to our restaurant, and then they could arrange with the chef how they want to cook the seafood. So whether they want to steam it, they want to salt, pepper, or braise it.
Yes.
We also have yung mga dim sum dishes, like the chicken feet or spare ribs. And also for soup, may dami namang choice. Meron din kami isang bak soup.
Bak soup?
Yes,
Okay.
it's kind of Singaporean.
That food is actually available din dito.
Kitchen.
Please invite our viewers to come and check out your place.
Yeah, so you can always find our Facebook on Facebook and Instagram. It's Tom's Kitchen PH, and you can go ahead and message us there or contact us through our phone. And we're also available for takeout, dine-in, takeout.
Yes, very accessible, guys. Santo Entierro. So, siguro pinaka-landmark natin dito is probably around 300 meters from
Holy Rosary
Holy
Church.
Rosary Church. So, thank you so much, really. So, we're gonna enjoy this more. So, guys, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Share it with your friends if you're looking for an authentic Chinese food and you can go out of your room.
Yes.
No, make sure to search for Tom's Kitchen PH, right? Alright, okay. So there you have it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. We're in Pampanga. Until our next video, we hope to see you there.
Peace out.
Bye, guys.